For the next step, my mom is going to help me out, which is making the wrapper. If you are in the West, you can just buy the wonton wrapper or dumpling wrapper in one of the Asian store or continental store. But here we are going to make it from the scratch. Now let's wrap it up. First thing first. So this is what momo is made in. Use some paper towel. Soak that paper towel in the vegetable oil and then rub it in its surface, just so that the momo won't stick in it after it's cooked. Now to wrap it up, just take some of the fillings and then close the surface. Then turn it around like this. There are other ways to make it too, but this is the way I know. Now fill the water up about like halfway through and then let it like boil so that we can steam our momo. Now we are going to add this to the top and set our timer for 12 minutes. So it's 12 minutes and we are going to change the upper and the lower dish. So just put it like this. The middle goes in middle again and the lower goes on the upper. Put it back together, put the lid on and then start another timer for 12 minutes. And yeah, don't forget the heat is like on the medium. You have to cook the entire momo in like medium heat. Our momo is ready, so let me turn the heat off. Next we are going to make fried momo. Turn the heat on, add some oil to it. Don't use the surface like with the flat bottom, use the surface with like narrow bottom, just so that you have to use like less oil. And then let the oil heat up. So now our oil is hot. One way to find out is like if you drop anything, like I'm dropping the small dough, and if it's like already hot, it will come on the surface. Now I'm going to turn the heat to medium hot. Don't cook it in like all the way up, like cook it in medium heat, because if you cook it all the way up, then the outer surface will be burnt and it won't cook like inside properly. I have here about like 12 momos. So now it looks crispy and golden brown. So I know it's done. I'm going to take it out and then let it soak on the paper towel. And there we have our fried momo. Next we are going to make sea momo or chili momo. These are the stuff you need for sea momo or chili momo. First off, as you can see, there is like half cut onion, then there is like green pepper and red pepper, both like half of it. And then we are going to need some chopped garlic, so some chilies, Thai chili, and it's cut into like half, and then some red chili as well, and then about 3 spoons of like chili powder. It's chili momo, you know, what do you expect. Then there is this tomato sauce. You can use tomato ketchup as well. So this sauce has like 2 roles. One, it gives like the red color. The second, it cut some of the heat off. So you know, like this is like chili momo and it's going to be very spicy. So this one, it's like kind of sweet, so it is going to balance out some of the heat. Then I have about like 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt. Don't use like too much salt because There is going to be salt in the soy sauce too, and then some cooking oil. Let's get started. Let's turn the heat on, and then let's add some oil to it. And this is the momo we are going to use. This is already steamed momo, so it's already cooked. So we are not going to like deep fry the momo. Rather, I'm going to shallow fry it, just so that the outer layer would be like a bit crunchy. But if you want to skip this step and then just use the steamed momo instead, that's fine too. Stir it and fry it for like few minutes until it turns like brownish. And just take it out like one by one. Now I'm going to add some more oil to it. Then add the garlic. Stir it for like 30 seconds. Add the chilies for the 30 seconds. Add the onions and the peppers. This is all on high, and then you are just stir frying it for like good minute. Add the chili powder, the turmeric powder, and the salt. Mix it again nicely for another 30 seconds, and then add the soy sauce. After that, add the tomato sauce. There is like a smoke coming out, and it's so hot. Mix all of it nicely, and then add the momos in. Mix it for another minute. And there you go, guys. The chili momo is ready. So let's eat now. The trick is to have like cold soup or jhol, and hot momo. So let's eat it. So this is the soup momo or jhol momo. Take like half the momo and then you take like a lot of soup. Then we have the fried momo with the concentrated sauce. So you take the momo, dip it in the sauce, and then eat it. And finally we have the sea momo. It's spicy, just the way I like it. So that's it for today, guys. A big shout out to my dad for helping me with the shopping, and a big shout out to my mom for helping me make the wrappers. Please go ahead and try the recipe and let me know how it goes. And while you guys are trying it, I'm going to stuff my face with some more momos.